Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you're trying to build business credit, I'm gonna tell you right now, there's three banks you definitely want to avoid if you're trying to build business credit. All right. Now, understanding like two of these banks, they will give you funding. All right. However, if you're trying to build business credit, because of the way that they operate, it may be more challenging. So what I mean by that is that with these here banks, all right, there's three of them. All right. One is BlueVine. All right. Now, granted, BlueVine states that they report your business trade lines. So like if you got a loan with them or a line of credit or something like that, they'll report that to Dun & Bradstreet. Okay. However, your business banking transactions, they will not report that to the business credit bureaus. All right. The next bank I'm talking about is your credit unions. Okay. So with your credit unions like Navy Federal, I know a lot of people, they want to go to Navy Federal and they want to get funding and stuff, and which is good. They will give you business lines of credit, business credit cards and stuff. But here's the thing about it. All your deposits and stuff is only going to benefit them. It won't help with building up your business bank rating across the board in case you want to get more funding from other lenders. Now, another thing you have to understand about these financial institutions where BlueVine, they may be more flexible. However, when you come to like Navy Federal, Bank of America, those type of banks, your NAICS code will definitely determine if they're going to actually give you any type of business funding at all. And so having a high risk NAICS code, everybody is talking about getting into the real estate game, right? Or they may be talking about trying to start a restaurant. All right, because those are high risk NAICS codes. Or they may be talking about, oh, I'm going to do consulting. Again, because it's a high risk NAICS code, it's going to be more challenging for you to get funding. All right. Now, again, because they don't report to the business credit bureaus. Now, for some of you all just finding my video, let me explain. You have your major business credit bureaus. That's Experian Business, Equifax Business, Small Business Financial Exchange. All right. And then that information shared with Dun & Bradstreet. So a lot of people think that, I have an 80 Paydex. I have net 30s. I have a DUNS number. All of that does not matter when it comes to business funding. Now, when you're talking about business credit, you're talking about department store cards and things of that nature. Then that's when Dun & Bradstreet will come in at. So if you're trying to get like a Lowe's department store card or a Home Depot commercial card with EIN only, that's fine. But even like with certain gas cards and stuff like that, a DUNS number does not matter with certain gas cards. Like Staples. Again, they look at the business credit file, but they're also going to look at what's on your Experian file. It overrides your DUNS file, okay? And then the third institution is your community banks. Now, it's great to go to your community banks. It's great to go there and get funding, all right? However, here's the thing about it. Again, because they don't report to the major business credit bureaus, all right? That's the reason that, again, if you're trying to build up business credit so that you can get more business credit funding, then you need to look at your primary banks, your major banks like Chase Bank, Citibank, Capital One. Those are your primary banks. U.S. Bank, Bank of America. Those are your primary banks that you want. Wells Fargo, Truist Bank, okay? Because Truist reports to Small Business Financial Exchange, and then it's shared and picked up with Experian and shared with Dun & Bradstreet. So those would be like your primary banks that you want to build business credit with. Now, if you already have those other three institutions, it's okay for you to be able to keep those, but you still need one of those primary banks that I said in order to help you. If you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.